Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can redeem the last Lunar New Year codes if you missed them. So what you get are these outfits here and these accessories too. So from here to here. So the code is LNY 2025. I've already redeemed it though, as you can see. But if you missed it, don't worry, you can redeem it again now. And make sure to play in this update because I think you'll only get it in this update. I'm not sure actually, but all the items are free, which is good. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Don't forget to redeem these codes as they will be gone on the 19th of May. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!